Is it time to put on the smile?
You're having a hard time getting up?
What's the matter? What, are you paying attention to you, Troy? Huh?
Bobby knows how to make him laugh, don't you? I think
he's just squirming and wants to get some more.
Can't you get up? What the hell?
He's gonna force you to touch him yet.
It's like a sack of flour, isn't it?
A truly sucker.
Troy's funny, huh, Bobby?
You're killing me, man.
Oh,
There
there he goes.
There.
Is that what he's been trying to do?
I don't know.
Whoa, watch him.
Okay. Haha, we did it. Uh-oh, Grandpa's leaving a bottle out. Oh. Right. Hey, Bobby. You saw those. I think the ones we saw were fast. You went to know if Grandma Brayon was on that.
She has her own private jet coming out later. Seemed pretty tame to have these regular airplanes go over here after a while.
We sure have plenty of them going over.
So these are the only pairs of buttons I have left now. You can do it. Let go of it.
I don't know where to start telling you about Mazda trucks. They've been rated first in customer satisfaction 2 years in a row.
You're showing off, Troy.
Truck business.
I thought he was too young for that, but I think he is.
This 42 C5 comes with everything you're looking at, and it's still priced close to Toyota.
Yay, Troy!
Troy, do his feet down, Grandpa.
Troy.
Golf carts. All right, a moment ago, this is Bobby Charles for Freddie. That's the 17th, that's right. So Bob Charles gets back.
I bet if I went back to that sidewalk, I'd see a crack in the sidewalk where you hit it. You don't think that'll it? Just to hurt me? Did you leave blood on the sidewalk? Well, that's good to know.
A lot of tears, though.
Did you leave a lot of tears on the sidewalk?
Going down.
Sure smell the brush.
Something like poop his pants.
Yeah, that's all.
Comes back
told me to break them up because they belong together. They stay together in those little
Oh,
rings.
they did? I thought it was rather cheap.
Troy, hey, don't bite me either. Hey, be nice.
He's got a mouthful of teeth now, hasn't he?
I'm trying to get some eye teeth down there too. Henry VIII. Oh no. What you get mad about? Can you sing Jimmy Crack Corn?
We won't listen.
Da 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 and Jimmy Crack Corn.
Oh.
Jimmy Crack Corn and I don't care.
Come on to the market. Home again, home again. Okay, you give it to Grandma.
Okay.
Hurry up, Bobby.
It's coming. Bobby's doing it. Here it comes. Okay.
Oh, he did it. He did it once.
Okay, here it's coming back to Bobby. Whoa.
Bobby knows how. Push it down. Oh, you were.
I don't know about those late
Whoa,
strike
pooped
calls
out.
there.
Line it down? You have to push kind of hard on, don't you?
All the way
There
down.
you go.
All the way
God, that thing was 6 inches outside, wasn't it?
No. Okay. Here it comes. Ready? Set. Oh, get going there.
Going through your bridge.
That'll get you closer to the camera that way.
Look at the dolly. Careful,
They
you
won't
dolly.
Don't even try.
Watch it,
to
watch
make
it.
Well, don't let him do it.
Well, you're sitting there.
Yeah, I knew you could.
Oh, God. Here it comes. Whoa. Troy.
Stay away from Dolly. Yeah.
Here we go.
What are you doing, Troy?
He's the eldest struck though, isn't he? He just
Your go, go, goes. Your toot, toot, toot.
okay. Now we ready? Get
Arms up near. Skither of it.
Oh, you gotta show us how you temple, huh?
supposed to do? What am I supposed to do here?
What's he supposed to say, Bobby?
What am I supposed to say? Huh? What am I supposed to say?
Grandpa forgot.
What am I supposed to say?